Emma, we're going on a big trip.
Really? That's amazing!
A big adventure was about to begin.
Look, kids, our family adventure.
Whoa, the beach! And the mountains!
We can go to both.
It'll be wonderful. Yay, let's go!
The exciting day had finally arrived.
Eat well before we leave.
I'm too excited! Me too!
I know, but breakfast first.
Let's leave on time.
I'm ready! Let's go!
Everyone was full of excitement.
Great. Let's finish up.
Should I take my teddy? Of course! Packing was part of the adventure. Time to go! Yes! Let's do it!
The journey officially began.
This is so exciting! Look outside!
The road was full of possibilities.
Everything looks different.
And amazing. The adventure felt real now.
This place is lovely.
The food smells great!
Every stop was special. I'm glad you think so.
Can I have more pancakes? And more juice! Best breakfast ever! I agree.
The trip was already unforgettable.
It's huge.
Wow!
Their dream destination had arrived. Smile!
Cheese!
Memories were being made. Look over there.
Amazing! So cool!
Every corner revealed something new. And look at that tower!
Wow!
Stay close.
Okay, Mom. We're right here.
The family enjoyed every moment together.
This day was incredible,
I never want it to end.
but their adventure was only beginning.
The city looks magical, like a dream. It is beautiful.
A perfect night.
Night brought a whole new adventure.
Look at this one.
That's my favorite.
The memories were already special.
Wow! It's beautiful!
Just wait for the next part.
The show was breathtaking.
Everyone smile! Cheese! Cheese!
Another happy memory was captured.
It's so colorful! I love this place.
Every step felt magical.
What was your favorite part today?
Everything!
The perfect day ended with a perfect meal.
Let's visit this place tomorrow. Great idea.
Tomorrow's adventure was already being planned.
Big day today!
I can't wait. Me neither.
A new day brought new excitement. It will be great.
Yeah, the best. I know.
Ready for another adventure?
Yes, absolutely.
The journey continued.
The city is huge. I can see everything.
The view was unforgettable.
Look at that building. Amazing. It's beautiful. Learning can be fun during travel. This is the Colosseum. It was built by the Romans.
This is awesome.
Best trip ever. Their excitement kept growing.
Everyone smile!
Ready. Say cheese. Did you get it? Let's see.
Perfect. One for the memories. The family wanted to remember every moment. Another perfect day.
I wish this trip would never end.
But one more adventure was waiting.
I'll never forget this trip. Me neither.
The adventure was ending, but the memories would stay forever.
Let's put everything away.
Okay, Mom. Back home, normal life began again. Remember this picture? That was so funny.
Their favorite memories came alive again.
And the beach day. Best trip ever.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
Tommy wanted to be more helpful. You're doing a great job, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom. I can help too.
That's wonderful.
Small acts of kindness made a difference. Great teamwork!
We're helping together. I'll get the blocks and I'll put them in.
Perfect. I'm so proud.
Yay! Oops. Don't worry. I'll help.
Helping others became a habit. What was the best part of the trip?
Being together. Definitely.
The greatest adventure was family itself.
Now we'll always remember
Every single moment. Some memories last forever.
Home feels special.
especially when we're together. That's what matters most.
Family is our greatest treasure. The trip ended, but its lessons would stay forever.